and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories small candle. We'll start off by selecting our product on the left-hand side, and then we'll go to the Print Information button to view the dimensions we need to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the videos listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and then we'll choose Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't set your computer up to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once our PDF has generated, we'll review the document to make sure that everything has generated correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin editing our printing settings. Starting at the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll choose the number of copies we want to print, and we'll make sure that the following options have been selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and landscape. We'll want to make sure that the document and paper size match in both width and height. From there, we're going to go into the advanced properties, and at the bottom we'll want to make sure document size and orientation match the options that we chose earlier. Below that, we'll choose colored ink, and on the right-hand side we have the option to choose our input tray. Today I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, and this will always be thick 1 to ensure that ink will stay on the paper. From here, you can register your current settings by naming the preset here and clicking OK. By doing this, you will create a shortcut for future use. When you're finished, click OK, and we'll be ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.